Let us take one more examples on beta and gamma function. We have to evaluate integration under the limit 0 to pi by 2 of root sine theta with respect to theta into integration under the limit 0 to pi by 2 of root cos theta with respect to theta. So now let us write down root sine theta is sine to the power 1 by 2 theta, and we are adding or multiplying cos to the power 0 theta. Cos to the power 0 theta is 1 d theta. Similarly, in the second integration also, it is cos to the power 1 by 2 theta into sine to the power 0 theta d theta, which is equal to 1 upon 2 beta of 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 2, 0 plus 1 by 2 into 1 upon 2 beta of 0 plus 1 upon 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 2. Since we know that 0 integration under the limit 0 to pi by 2, sine to the power pt cos to the power qt dt, which is equal to 1 upon 2 beta of p plus 1 by 2 and q plus 1 by 2. So in the first expression, here p is equal to 1 by 2 and q equal to 0. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 the whole divided by 2 and 0 plus 1 by 2. In the second expression, p is equal to 0 and q is equal to 1 by 2. So 0 plus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now if we simplify it, 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 will become 1 upon 4. Beta of this is 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 upon 2. 1 by 2 into beta of 1 by 2, 3 by 2 upon 2. 1 by 4 beta of 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into beta of 1 by 2, 3 by 4. This is both the things are similar because we know that beta of mn equal to beta of nm. 1 by 4 gamma 3 by 4 gamma 1 by 2 divided by gamma 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. And the similar way, we can also write down this. Because beta of mn equal to gamma n upon n gamma m plus n. Gamma n plus 1 is n gamma n and gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. This is root pi. This is also root pi. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. This is not, this is 3 plus, this is 5 by 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2. 1 by 4 into gamma 3 by 4 root pi into root pi is equal to pi. Gamma 3 by 4, gamma 3 by 4. This is gamma 5 by 4 and this is also gamma 5 by 4, which is equal to pi by 4 into gamma 3 by 4 into gamma 3 by 4, and gamma 5 by 4 can be written as gamma 1 plus 4 plus 1. And if we apply the formula n gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n, then it is 1 by 4 gamma 1 by 4, and this will be again 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4, because gamma n plus 1 equal to n gamma n. Then it is pi by 4. This 4 and 4 will cancel. Gamma 3 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4 divided by gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4. So 1 gamma 1 by 4 will cancel. Gamma 3 by, no, we have to apply the formula. Gamma 3 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4. Gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4. We are multiplying and dividing by gamma 1 by 4. In the same thing over here, we have done. Now, this gamma 3 by 4 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4 whole divided by gamma 1 by 4 whole square into Same thing, 1 minus 1 upon 4 into gamma 1 by 4 whole divided by gamma 1 by 4 whole square, which is equal to 4 pi. And we know about the formula. Gamma 1 minus p into gamma p is equal to pi upon sine p pi. Therefore, it is pi upon sine pi by 4 into pi upon sine pi by 4. And this gamma 1 by 4 whole square into whole square, it will become 1 by 4. This is pi, and sine pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. Sine pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. Therefore, its value is 4 into pi into pi into pi is, I think this is not 8, it is 4. 4 pi cube upon gamma 1 by 4 whole to the power 4. Hence, integration under the limit 0 to pi by 2 of root sine theta into integration under the limit 0 to pi by 2 root cot theta d theta, which is equal to, this is 4 pi cube upon gamma 1 by 4 whole to the power 4. Thank you.